to everyone again. Today I want to continue the wedding jewelry theme, and in this video I'm going to learn you how to create pearl long earrings from a small amount of materials. This tutorial is suitable for beginners and for experienced masters as well. Please support my channel, subscribe, put a thumbs up and share this video. I want to ask you to visit my online store. You can order hair wines, hair combs and other accessories from all my video tutorials. You will see the link on the screen and in the description. We will send your order to any country via express or regular mail service. If you will order accessories in my online store, you will support my channel and help me to make new videos. Don't miss our regular discounts and purchase handmade jewelry today. Well, let's begin. Enjoy watching! I invite you to watch other tutorials about earrings on my channel. All links will be in the description. I hope that everything I have showed in this video was clear for you. If you have any questions, write to me in the comments. If you like this tutorial, share it in social networks and click on the bell below to get the updates in time. I wish you creative inspiration and beautiful works. Thanks for watching this video. See you next time on Jill the Workshop. Bye!